Welcome back to app tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can log into Metamask. So let's start. First of all, open the Metamask app. If you have already created your Metamask wallet, then you will find a screen like this when you open the Metamask app. This is simply the stage where you can log into your existing Metamask account. You don't have to enter any email address or username. You can simply enter the password that you set while creating your Metamask wallet and then log into your account. So let's enter the password. After you enter the password, tap on unlock. It might take a few moments to log into your account, but after entering your password, you will be successfully logged into your Metamask wallet. So as you saw, it's a pretty simple process to log into your Metamask account. After logging into your Metamask account, you can do various transactions that you would usually do. Well, that's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for future videos.